Alright guys, so today we're going to do singles. And singles consist of just a single note with each hand. We're going to do right, left. Here we go. Now guys, what I want you to do is right here, there's a setting button. You're going to hit that setting button and you're going to change the playback speed until whatever you're comfortable with and play along with me. Now we're going to do this at normal speed, and remember, you guys can use that setting button and change the playback speed. Let's go! Alright guys, that's it for today with the singles.